Racing just is started. We have El Indio. Break weekly at the start. Blushing Star Inquiry. Perhaps Love. Happy Hour. Down on the inside is La Cienega. Hooky Hook. Granil comes next. Valentine Rose. Bonjour. Spanish Drums. Maliwalas. And on the outside is Speed Admiral. While Renzi stays. Is the early trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader. And at the far turn. We have El Indio by about half length, happy hour. Now moving up on the outside, Blushing Star. Inquiry comes next, perhaps Love. Then comes Hockey Hook, Granil, Bonjour. Then next on line is La Cienega, Valentine Rose. Speed Admiral down on the inside. Now is Spanish Drums. Maliwalas while Renzi stays. Is still racing in last 100 meters. We are Blushing the Star by about 2 lengths, followed by Happy Hour, and finally it's Blushing Star. Happy Hour close. Perhaps Love, Bonjour, El Indio, and Hockey Hook.
Ayan na, nagsimula tayo.
Dehado.
Long shot.
Blushing Star.
Yes.